Hello everyone, I'm Sai Jatan and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today we'll try to test the 120 FPS gameplay support in the iQOO 7 smartphone by using the Critical Ops game, as you can see friends. So it is the iQOO 7 device which has a 120Hz and the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So let's see friends whether this game will be able to support 120 FPS or not, and this is one of the question which was asked by one of my subscriber asking me to test whether the phone will be able to play or not, and I'll be using the third party FPS meter which has been suggested by a lot of users. So that's what I'm trying to do in this video. So as always, don't forget to check the links in description friends for the playlist for the iQOO 7, so where you can find so many videos which I uploaded recently on the green tint, comparing display, 4G plus. So plenty of important topics I covered on this phone, so make sure to check the links in description for the phone playlist. You can click that link and you'll find all the videos in one single playlist. So let me try to quickly open this game and let's see, and before that let me show you what settings I'm trying to use. So in the display, so exactly I am using the 120Hz only, not 60Hz. So let me try to, as you can see friends, I'm using the 120Hz refresh rate. Let me go to the gameplay, and so let me try to open the game and let's see friends what the real-time FPS statistics we'll be getting here while playing the game. Let me try to quickly show you. So it is the FPS data which is available on the top, as you can see friends, which you can clearly see. So on the top, which says right now it's about 30 FPS at the moment. So first thing, let's explore the settings option. So let's see whether we are getting any kind of options or not. So I'm going to the graphics and set to the high everything, and let me go to the general settings, and it is general settings, and it is a FPS quick, as you can see, 60, 30 and 60. So there is no 120 FPS friends in this iQOO 7 device, as you can see clearly. So this is a phone which has Snapdragon 870 chipset, but still you cannot get the 120 FPS in this phone, as you can see friends clearly. So you only get 60 FPS option in this phone. Unfortunately, that's another big drawback right now, but by using 60 FPS you'll get the consistent frame rates without any kind of dropping in the frames. So that is what the real-time FPS meter is about on the top, as you can see friends clearly. So the overall, this is the final conclusion friends. You won't be able to play the Critical Ops with the 120 FPS. Unfortunately, that's going to be kind of drawback for a lot of users. So the game feels kind of good, so not much issues. And another thing, there is no 4D vibration support in this game. So there is no 4D vibrations at all, as you can see friends, and there is no frame enhancement option which is present here. So that's another thing to notice. So there is no frame enhancement option, so which usually will be present in a few games. So where the frame rates you can increase to 90 and 120 FPS, but that's not the case. So unfortunately, you can only play the Critical Ops at 60 FPS only during this time of testing. So that is what I got to know the results. So overall the gameplay is kind of good, so not much issues. But if you have the 120 FPS, it feels really smooth while playing the game at 120 FPS. So that is what I expected from this phone, but unfortunately we cannot play. So and whereas in the MI 11X we can play with the 120 FPS as well. But not in this phone. So thank you friends for watching this video, and that is a quick FPS statistics on the top, as you can see clearly. So you're getting about let me try to zoom in, as you can see 60 FPS consistently, 60, 59 you're getting right now. FPS, as you can see friends. So overall, this is a quick review of this phone. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more important videos. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the playlist for more details. So in the future I'll try to test plenty of other games as well, checking the 120 FPS support or not in this phone by using this kind of third party FPS meter. So stay tuned for those videos. So thank you friends for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.